if the government could take away your U.S. citizenship years after granting it? That's exactly what's making headlines today. The Trump administration has launched what officials are calling the largest denaturalization effort in American history, targeting 17 naturalized U.S. citizens accused of fraud, criminal activity, or lying during the immigration process. But what does this mean? Who is being targeted, and could this reshape immigration enforcement in the U.S.? What could happen to those who lose their citizenship? Stay with us as we break it all down. Today we're discussing a major development in U.S. immigration policy. Officials say this marks the biggest use of denaturalization powers ever undertaken by the federal government. This move comes as part of the administration's broader effort to tighten immigration enforcement and increase deportations. Let's look at what is happening and why it matters. According to the Justice Department, federal officials have filed legal actions against 17 naturalized U.S. citizens, alleging they either committed immigration fraud, concealed criminal activity, or otherwise failed to qualify for citizenship. Denaturalization is a legal process that allows the government to revoke citizenship from foreign-born Americans if it can prove they obtained citizenship fraudulently. This could include hiding criminal records, using false identities, or providing false information during the immigration process. Historically, denaturalization has been extremely rare. Government records show that between 1990 and 2017, the Justice Department filed an average of only 11 denaturalization cases per year. The process is often lengthy and complicated because officials must convince a federal judge to strip someone of their citizenship through civil or criminal court proceedings. However, since President Trump's return to the White House, the administration has pushed for a dramatic expansion of these efforts. In 2025, the Justice Department broadened the categories of naturalized citizens who could be prioritized for denaturalization. Just last month, officials announced a dozen such cases, which was already considered one of the largest efforts in years. Now, that number has increased to 17 new cases. The individuals targeted in the latest filings include people accused or convicted of serious crimes. Among them are individuals linked to child sex offenses, fraud schemes, money laundering, and immigration fraud. According to court filings, those named include a Haitian immigrant accused of sexually abusing his daughter, a man from the former Yugoslavia convicted of sexually abusing a child under 15, a Mexican immigrant convicted of receiving sexually explicit images of minors, a former Catholic priest born in Colombia accused of child sexual abuse, and a Filipino-born man who pleaded guilty to a child sex crime. The list also includes an Indian immigrant accused of filing fraudulent H-1B visa petitions, the daughter of a Colombian drug trafficker accused of money laundering, a Jamaican-born man convicted of wire fraud, and a Cuban-born woman accused of defrauding a tribal casino. Other individuals are accused of obtaining citizenship through false identities. Acting Attorney General Todd Blanche defended the initiative, saying the Justice Department will have zero tolerance for abuse of the naturalization process. He stated that individuals who lied about past crimes, including drug trafficking, sexual offenses, and fraud, should not retain U.S. citizenship. Administration officials also emphasized that citizenship is a privilege that must be earned honestly and lawfully. It's important to note that these individuals are not automatically stripped of citizenship. They have the legal right to challenge the government's claims in federal court. If the government succeeds, those individuals would lose all benefits associated with U.S. citizenship and revert to their previous immigration status, usually that of a lawful permanent resident. They could then become subject to deportation. Important update for naturalized U.S. citizens. If you are a law-abiding naturalized U.S. citizen, you have no reason to worry about the recent attempts to revoke citizenship. These actions target only a small number of people accused of serious immigration fraud or criminal conduct, not ordinary citizens. What do you think about this unprecedented denaturalization campaign? Should the government revoke citizenship from individuals accused of obtaining it through fraud? Or does this expansion raise concerns about government power? Stay updated, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.